What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Can't really open up my mouth that much because I got my wisdom teeth out a few days ago. Haven't been up to anything, so I figured, why don't I try to learn how to day trade? And I wanted to share with you my journey, like how far can I go from day 1 to day 30, or like a month from now. It's only like 20 days, really, 5 days of trading. And see how much money I can make. Can I learn how to day trade in a month? I know it looks like a child drew this, but stay with me. So this is the strategy I'm going to be trying to do over the next 30 days. It's called the 3-bar play. Basically, I'm looking for a big engulfing bar, like double the size of the standard bar. So big engulfing bar over the top of resistance, so over a resistance level, and then a small resting bar that's no less than 50% of the initial green bar and relatively the same height. So it could be like this, like maybe there's a little bit of a wick. They're roughly the same height. And what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to buy as soon as the stock gets over the top of the second bar. So we have this big engulfing green bar, double the size of the regular bar, or your average bar, over resistance, then a resting bar that is roughly the same height but did not go down more than 50% of the initial green bar. So within the top 50% of the initial green bar right here. And then I'm setting my buy limit order just above the second candle, the top of the second candle, which I guess would be right here. Then all goes to plan. Stock comes up, triggers my buy order. Then I go up for a 2-to-1 risk reward and take profit up here. That's the strategy I'm going with. And then my stop loss is at the bottom of the red candle. So my stop loss is right here. So let's get into how I did today in my first day trading. Okay, so I want to point out a few things. So I made 3 trades today. So this was the stock I traded first in the day, so I was watching it at the open. Big engulfing green bar, so about twice the size of the average bar. Over resistance, right here, over resistance. Then a short resting bar. Now this is at 9:28 pre-market, so it's a 2-minute chart. So this didn't exist. This just skipped, just jumped right to this candle. So got up, I watched for this candle. This candle ended, same height, about 50% retracement. I said it's probably okay. I set my buy limit order right on top. Then this candle went boom, went straight up. So initially I had a 3-bar setup. This candle was green right off the bat, ripped all the way up from 196 to $2, so like 4 cents, which is really like not a crazy amount, but it felt like a lot. It was my first trade ever, so I don't know, it felt like a lot. And I kept holding and holding, and I didn't know when to get out. I didn't know when to get out because I thought it was gonna go up. I didn't think it was gonna stop here. Thought it was just gonna keep going. So I ended up getting out at about $94.50, $1.94.5. 94.5. That's where I got out. So I lost 65 cents on that stock. Then I bought in again at some point, but it was a bad buy and I didn't know what I was doing and I wasn't following a pattern. This, I was following a pattern. I thought, this trade was good. I could have, boom, got out and it would have been great. So that was my first trade of the day. Down 65 cents. Let's go to trade number 2. Okay, trade number 2 of the day. I noticed it was trending down and it was gonna bounce. So I was looking, I was just looking. And I noticed this big engulfing green bar over resistance. And then I saw a short red bar. And I was like, all right, this is my time to get in. 318. I put my marker like at 318, which I probably should have done 319. Big engulfing green bar. Short resting bar. This is where I'm buying. Right here. Put my buy limit order in at 318. And then boom, shot up all the way to 344. So we went from 319 to $3.44. That was up a couple dollars in this trade. So I was really happy. Set my stop at 3. I don't know what happened. My stops got messed up, or I did something wrong, and I ended up, my stop loss was at 317. So I'm not really sure what happened with that. But anyways, we came up and I just didn't know how to get out of the trade. I thought it was going to keep going, just keep going, and it didn't. And I had no real sense of when I should be taking profit, when I shouldn't. I was up like $3.30. All right, sorry, $2.30, something like that. And then ended up selling it right about back where I had it for a loss of like 30 cents or something like that. So that was kind of upsetting. So the point I'm trying to make is that you should be taking your profit. So looking back on this, I don't know why I got out at $3.17. I bought in at 318. Following my strategy, my risk should have been 311. Okay, so I got in at 318. My risk is 311. That's 7 cents. So 318, go up 7 cents. It's 25. Now I could have taken profit right here. This would have been a 1-to-1 risk reward. Risk 7 cents per share versus gaining 7 cents per share. I kept riding it up from $3.25 up to $3.32. This is 2-to-1 risk reward right here. 32 to 39. This is 3-to-1 risk reward. So we got a 1-to-1 risk reward, could have taken profit here. 2-to-1 could have taken profit here. 3-to-1 could have taken profit here. Hell, I could have went almost 4-to-1. I could have almost went 4-to-1 on my risk reward. My risk was 7 cents. 7 cents per share. Could have went almost 4-to-1. But I didn't have a concept of when I should. I didn't think about it. I just got in, knew when I should be getting out, and I was kind of holding with diamond hands. I was just holding it like it was gonna go to the moon. No, I should have stuck to my plan. Get out at my 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. That's what I should have done. I could have even got out 1-to-1, 1.5, 2. Could have got out anywhere. I think I had a good I had a good setup. I think that was a good trade, and I didn't know when to get out. So rode the wave, came back down, sold for a loss. First day trading. Those were the two major trades. This was the one I lost the most. And then I was actually doing a little bit of revenge trading throughout. I think somewhere, I don't know. I was trying to, I don't know. I threw technique out the window after I lost like a couple dollars because I was just messing around and trying to get a feel for how things actually worked and just placing orders, selling, and it's only a couple dollars, so I was just messing around. Profit loss on the day. I lost $3.25 on AMP. I lost 65 cents on MICT. and I made 10 cents on MRMD for a total profit loss of $3.79. Overall, my first day trading, we're in the hole. We had a red day, like $3.79. And you know what? It is what it is. I think I'm gonna do a week, like a recap at the end of the week, and do week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and just go over my biggest trades of the week, and let you guys know, like, where did I go wrong, where did I go right, and maybe you guys can follow along. And if you guys enjoyed the video, hey, let me know.